Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can spawn your vehicle in Heartopia. So obviously you are going to be able to purchase it from Andrew. I bought the free one, which is the green motorcycle, but they have other options here like this mountain bike and motorcycles and etc. They have cars as well, but it's still locked. And to spawn it, you're just going to press X, or yeah, and then that's pretty much it really, and you spawn your vehicle. I'm saving for another pretty colored motorcycle because this looks whack, but it's free. So, and I just started playing this game, so yeah, that is pretty much it. It can go upstairs, by the way, if you were curious about that. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.